Hello, welcome to this amazing tutorial by Isaac Couture Fashion Academy, a subsidiary of Isaac Couture Fashion Company Limited. My name is Ego Isaac. I am the founder and the lead tutor at Isaac Couture Fashion Academy, where we groom designers and aspiring creatives on the technical and business skills of fashion designing. Today, we'll be talking about how to make a white leaf embellishment. I used this for this beautiful dress that we're looking at. First off, I'll get a copper wire for this project, a thick copper wire. I'll check out for this length and write it in the description. And then a gum, a B6000, Susan's B6000. Please do well to look out for original of this gum because there are lots of fake gums in the market that would probably truncate your job. Now, the next step we'll take is to measure out the quantity of wire I'll be needing for this project. I'll need 1 yard of this wire. Since I won't, it's for a practical, it's a practical project, I'll measure out 1 yard and divide it into 2, which will give us 18 inches, 18 inch. And thereafter, I would twist that edge. I'll be careful not to over twist so as to not rip it apart. Since it's a copper wire, if you over twist it, you can actually rip it apart. And then I'll measure to be sure that what I took is 1/4 of an inch. And then I proceed to twisting one other half of the wire, 1/4 of an inch as well. I'll proceed to twist the 2 wire downwards. I'm trying to form a stem with different branches. And then I'll twist the other part of the wire, 1/4 of an inch also, 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. This will enable, this will give a form of stability and to enable me, give room for kind of flexibility. I can actually bend the flower whichever way I want because this is flexible and it will hold the flower in place. So I'll continue doing this until I get the desired length of the embellishments I'm trying to create. So just follow up and watch. So after making the skeletal part of our stem, the next thing we'll need to do is to cut out the excess, and then we'll proceed to using our gum. After cutting out the excess, we'll proceed to using our gum on each of the 1/4 of an inch that we already made. We'll gum it out and then so in sum total, we have about 10 extensions. So I'll apply the gum to each of that extension. Remember, I'm using a B6000 gum. After applying the gum on each of the extensions, I would fit in the flowers. So finally, we have our white leaves embellishment. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Do well to follow us for more tips on how to create stylish things like this that would enhance your job. Thank you.